and today is Christmas Eve from 2020. This year has been slow, and today we're making cupcakes for Santa instead of cookies. So the ingredients you'll need right now, I have this in my bowl. I have 1 cup sugar, 1 egg, and 250 milligrams butter. And now we're going to mix it with this. But first, you don't start to mix. First, you just 1 egg and 250 milligrams butter. And now we're going to mix it with this. Now we're going to add a 1/3 cup of milk. So we add that. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla for very good taste. And now since it's Christmas, we're going to add some red food coloring. Just a little bit. But I think we should add a tiny bit. I think that's enough. Now, see with my spatula, I'm going to push all of the ones on the side down so we don't leave any extra. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped you make some beautiful cupcakes for Santa. And if you want, you can post your pictures of your cupcakes on the comment section. Have a Merry Christmas, stay safe, Happy Holidays from our Looktamil team.